weekend in Nankamechi save bayo.
Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to Ideas GHTV, your @1 online TV right here in the Western Virgin Secretariat Crowd to be precise. Now, this show is Showbiz Bars. Welcome. Me assure that African pa ehu ye nache ehu ye anymore. Ideas GHTV do watch our pa. Now you see after one, and on the day I make a show on there. So you could break it down now. Then we are trying to reform everything yeah pede reform bibia to your satisfaction so na be ya bibia ye de bottle hebia and also so e be ya wo chefa e wo mu now a lot has been going on in the entertainment industry, a lot chere in some of kodo no that time of coronavirus be na ne keka kan won sem de corona abantino ahwa yen hye den yan bibia mon kodo na corona be won de ehu drama upon drama in the showbiz industry right here in Ghana and also in the Western region. Now you're watching us live on Facebook at IDSJ TV. You can get interactive with us, send us your messages now, or comment, and also like and then share. Tag a friend to also tag a friend, to call a friend, to also watch Showbiz Bars. My name is Sika Woman. Now quickly, as I introduce a new segment, we will show you so they will catch the IDSJ TV or by Showbiz Bars. They are Baze. Now this show, this segment is called Quick Gist. In Saturday, when I make a gist down that just kokwansa kakra, ease kakra, wine a kaya so kakra. He na mama kakofana medabu boom. Na medini na so mede brown one. Now, for the past week, we've heard so many things on social media. What started some revolution bills you let's call it revival revival on your chapel revival now also for no you are a revival. We are trying to revive Azonto on the late 2010 2011 2012 one the early 2010s one new vibe, new rhythm be music cinema or spicy baby app. It took Ghana to the globe, and this year Wako so people are trying to bring it back now. Who started this? Well, Sako there, even though I can't go Mando. No, as I say, I'm holding you want to have a Ghana. Or what a Ghana had in so pedal to quan. This is what to quan, so as I say, our pedal bodam or no wobba. Well, Sako there started behind the heads. Yaba Showbiz Bars had a magic and me pundits. Yaba better have we've discussed about it and everything that has to do with behind the heads. Now your one Sako there's also started different one. We talk about Azonto and everything. See, that's Azonto the way Tremona. Watchem akaida ba shoki yaba dab na de is ya zankuna watchem but then we don't know, is it going to stand this year revival yaba be start you but why I don't know, we started conversation on social media. Gasmela injo telemo tell malang menkan and I say watch it na say mindiga kenkentino my papa. But yeah, Gasmelano also don't know or originated or Azonto. So we don't know. Do you think Gasmela is the one who originated Azonto? Now Azonto nankasa wana the bay. Wana ko for Azonto no bay. Azonto one is it even a music journal? We are asking you guys. So send us your comments and also what you think, your opinions. Now you'll be reading right here on Ideas GTV. And also bottom now a friend. Enjoy a friend. Na and na kasa wo ho pedo ne makasa yawa na mala me the voice na fine but no makasa ska beba because mala me ska enjoy. So you can also call us on 059 597 1540 059 597 1540. That is the number, the studio line. And say in case that's also in our community who be able to na a friend na yes so idea JTV aba never report whatever that's going on in your community. Now, as I was saying, Gasmel also don't originate or Azonto. Now go for the son, papa. But so what Gasmel music saying I need to be a more. This I said I don't know could close it. We don't even know what you are doing. I'm not catch where you are going to green. me that say aha na ono tall one now or woman no or say there Joshua or ye catch Joshua why a video be or the to Twitter no but I'm Twitter na mu do that one all this cheddar all this so gas me like but I mean who reason why but I young kon share video or ye catch Joshua the video talking about Amazonto and also Gasmela claiming to be the originator of Azonto. Let's go and watch.
Azonto obi afa the person Azonto ni eye nyina poma men award Gasmela Fawasa yenso yemfa yenwum Shia kai Ghana Azonto amne yeni guru ma men award guru when award ba go po Azonto so obi afa the person oba bebu yen hey who originator inti yen Oma Maya award, ye bre Oma Maya award. Fawase fa. Yes, ye fire room. Shiakai.
That was Kacha Joshua. I said Gasmela was 1 for 1 assault. Now when Azonto no po was starting for 2 going to green I didn't po. I won't power them po be now guru crown pay ye or 2 my headstones bear 4 or 5 no crown po. Ono bo crown po nya wa na Gasmela bona de we awo fisherman. What's our dey na couple? Na what Jay on dog and whole crowd. Well, on our next news, no, you could the camp of I storm boy. Babes, this is the man of the moment to share. Aloga Junction, Aloga Junction. We release the album, and we know that when Grammy nominee singer Oya Carey Hilson, album do Nasty C, and also some people from Nigeria and all that. We on album do. You can also send us your message. You say I'm a your favorite song on the album. Magic wa had in maybe sano. The favorite song on the album. Now also so catching na now that's Stonebwoy is proud. We are all proud to have Stonebwoy because he's putting Ghana on the map. Now Carey Hilson also said Japan on the Stonebwoy Ejuma. Now we are hoping that this album with the hype and everything now weighing and so far no at least over 2 work of Grammys maybe this time around no Ghana project because Grammys able to now you win the BB. Let's just keep our fingers crossed. But then young conco try and work a crayon, a boy from cat to work a cra, na yambra, ya buy about to you made in
welcome to Kingsman Classic Shiswan in Ghana. Jumeza doing where I am Poboa. And Poboa sort here desert, Lupes na de. Said Pem works na that, Ebo Emmanuel into blanket Kingsman Classic Shiswan for Facebook and we put that here. Boom, a permit location so I'm a Greek. My number is 0247 40 39 80 with us made in Ghana from Kingsman Classic Shoes One.
Okay, so welcome back from the commercial break. You know, now we are continuing with a quick gist. Now, story number 2. Last Friday, I saw and Papa enjoy. Dancing. Go friend a dancing prophet. Enjoy dancing prophet. Then you so the channel a prophet and pay yesterday power womb. Capillaries and your arteries to them are medical care. No? Now, Friday and Papa prophet said from pon enjoy why in media why can't chinegu wait and in your shapan that's a idioms no mean that chilamoko a kojo freestyle on our chem idioms no one take once na medina na medabra now it happened on the 24th of April no panel now nanko so speculate or news be there diabetes no kunu na papa no kwampon and the first wife no the and the first wife ni jan well brother Same seem to be very close to the deceased no about beka there prophet said from pon ni year no not nanka so ni kuno and prophet said were issues in marital issues be no kwampo je our kwampan sana ni Yoruba no na all the difficulties ni na papa never film no obe film now what caused the death in the day no that it's not diabetes na mom no yeah, according to brother Sammy, I also so yeah gospel musician based in Kumasi. Now also there, oya prophet set now ote oya story building do. Now so try either was sunny there okay baby was na obofum. To obofum them no. Either so turn on kofo so ante nkikemu na ade nkofo ante nti. By the time I so tell ya nkofo be no na papa no ne style no she dan you fine you know no page no call confirmatory teaching hospital or G Kumasi how would no quaint no one China nurse be free catching one day or your papa no why and me then you may out on saffron. Now you won't pay there or any so you should rest in a perfect peace. Now you couple on gin one out nick home enjoy. Or Abraham so on this is just the beginning. Mommy can't tell my lockdown no coronavirus be president or the lockdown to some of the regions no do no. And I'm called for during there be or Baba left to lockdown no. Until now some video be on social media this is just the beginning. I wanted the papa ne song and what the say. Now that is the man we are talking about. So yeah, prophet said from Pon. No, but the money no necessary worker in Chinel. Now moving on, we go to the camp of Becca. Becca is saying that she needs to be applauded. Now there industry name no why underrated too much. Now I woman for 14 years. 14 years now. 14 years on your some kakaba. Now Becca sisi I was today all call music break either or retire or call pension. Damn nam pedamoka. This I don't yes civil servants and teachers and nurses and cotton or pension musicians walk. Until first night in there chido be back crop poso cry and sana. Maybe a wage music and Becca on the wage. But then she says that she needs to be applauded because also what make a good impact on music scene in Ghana and also Africa or Kankofa. Once what the Ghana music are international no. And now also so no 1 year now what applauding no one year that they be a work and answer. They be then and I say oh really see you know nobody will say no 1 year. Oh what's the one call we are South African in I just want to that Magic George Crabet now come magic there I don't know so I'm my favorite too. My favorite. Hey. Ayakoto, ayaka share. A nice song, a nice song. So that is what Becca is also saying. Now, again back to Gasmilla. Gasmilla today, Zonto music, no when woo. You people saying that Zonto music is dead. When woo, now either a co break be somewhere be into nothing or why they bana ona into no man call from Becca there. They are trying to revive Azonto, they are trying to bring back Azonto. Now Azonto now when woo. Into then the Azonto for the past 5 years, let's say 5 years, no, has it been in the system? Let's say Azonto tunes and our rhythms be out to the Azonto. Because why don't I say Afrobeat, Afropop, hip hop, high life, no company, so why contemporary into no this I and Shadante now. This is all Kada Azonto never died, no, now opera orchard. Now to our last story on quick gist, last week we saw a video being now circulate on social media. Either former president or His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, virtual now ne talks now and young video be a man maybe all the knock president no do TV no do. The back of TV na Opaya Jamanya dia. On an call for share video and what's the no. Wash your mamma and a body ne stature and a body no and a voice no the we are no man and no reasons na. Wash I there Nana Mac Brown. Anna this year Nana Mac Brown about Abeka then no. On yada on over to why the madden da. Na onyono cry. I don't know if some of you have not watched the video. Young Konya share video now what's there? Na now Mac Brown or Noki or the former president Mahama.
My program. Pandemic kata, ayah nasi. Kau kata ni, ayah nasi. Saya nasi. Oh,
Yeah, so there you have it. That was the video circulating on the internet. I was there. Or Nana Brown. Or yeah, the madden. Now, us on your she knows nothing about it. On your 19 or say, what's the Nipacones and maybe a Nipano Sanara, but on your Nana Brown. Well, that's it for Quick Gist right here on Showbiz Bars on IDHA TV. You're watching us live on Facebook. You can also send in your comments, messages, and on Instagram, Twitter, Nadine. What me follow you on IDHA TV. Now, back here in the studio, we are coming to discuss Oya Azonto. They come back, no? Is it going to stand the test of time? Now, Gasmila is also saying there, Azonto never died. Azonto has been there. So I want to work at there. They are trying to revive Azonto. They are trying to bring back Azonto, no? One time I work now, I have Magic George in the studio. No controversy, I know, yama. But I mean, no one Magic.
Sika. Afishapa.
You named that a man ever.
Said Nenya home can see I want to.
Say I fit.
I see. I fine.
I
wouldn't actually find when I can fine.
The mic cover then.
Baby, I could share at the chain.
Baby, Magic couple me.
Asawara. Yamanadum. I want to move from Pedam in the room about pastors and gospel musicians and their wives. What's me for them, Messiah? They are
just gospel musicians and other musicians.
No, especially gospel musicians. I watch our Messiah for they are always having issues with their husband. Me for no so one being on our royal one. I don't know the reason why. I don't know the imagine one I don't know the reason why.
It happens.
You see, Jenna, if Ibina say she obi nim na Kennedy na in issue ya in some of the bed. And there say so far people have hope in you. Asome keta sa obi oye nyame na dwuma bia o ka nyame na asem bia is he's close to God more than I like we don't
we are all close.
Oh no, asome ka no that's the perception.
Okay, yeah.
If say nyankopon adwuma nkotin that you are closer to God than obia because you are always talking about God e ka nyankopon asem so or they want to see your life if your life should be some way a little bit perfect kakra people you set example for people to follow good example for people to follow until at the moment although you are a human being but no wa baba no o shaky kakra there no nyama bi nkoye peden man for start they will lose hope so I think gospel musicians should work on that their marriage and but about we consider try to keep your marriage issues from the public. Are you getting me? Because people see them as even not radio do crampo or your gospel program, people who there or a pastor. Are you getting me? Or but to follow no, he has the knowledge what to attend radio do about gospel program who there. So I think they should work on concept from one issue. I'm here there. That no year they have to travel Australia with the back. Are you getting me? Some of them be sharing issues or because Ghana and Kasan will know here.
Yeah, but then according to I wanna wear close to him.
They
issue. No, on a new year, no, they had issues before.
So until say even Pobesia and who can issues no so nya hon come or they gen one kwa.
But they parted ways.
No, me sure that me sure that I'm story
critically ill. I see our party ways are mene what track abembi.
Ababono oyo do baby oyo some way some way pa kama papa no bon oponyo mo ginidi no oyo gay ne di na.
Na so we are
but nyama nkoye ne di nyama nkoye ne di wọ́n mẹ́sì àfúnà nkasa so wọ́n suba no bibi wọ́n mẹ́sì àfúnà nkasa wọ́n bibi adẹ́dẹ́w na nkotin na wọ́n pẹ́ mẹ́numu yẹ dẹ́w na wọ́n pẹ́ àwọn chicken kẹ́mpó.
Now we're power chira.
No, I'm a man nti other make baby no so ahochire but me say afu so ahochire sin bibia ahochire be keke pe no ho so keke. No, you me tell me kede you me pe ahochire o. I'm a man so I have to other me stand.
That's magic. No, but you said that you are not being fair. This is a situation whereby nipa ko no 1 hour no we go and everything.
Pe am investigation am I no them na identity.
Them not. Yo, to the fan of them. Now magic what's up?
When you mean for snatcher, when you want to yeah, you should stand with them. I put them out too much. Let's go.
With him,
oh, yeah, of course.
Okay. Okay.
What's your so be no be able to score one time for that, I'm telling you. But one be say for no one there, one be number one there open and wash is scan no aspect no ba many be di. You catch on now go ready. What you scan go tin no you know scan ko pet no what start the way rough.
Magic.
Let's go, young co, and the many abroad. Yanko.
And I then no, and now may resume work. And I the magic pedal the fire be.
I never the fire be about.
I don't even understand.
No, the topic now, some of no. I don't like it. They are mess for an attitude.
Oh, oh. You guys
go to January, then be going to money going to be going to January question Australia. Ma, we from so Samasa.
No, it's not be able.
Samasa.
I was saying, be blowasa.
Yanko, your story now.
Well, magic, we know Azonto, no one says some. We know what's been going on in the showbiz industry. Go focus on what saying, baby. Well, let's start with Gasmila. Gasmila, look at it. Oya Azonto, no, Oya da Owi and Kofobeka, they are trying to revive it. Now, Zonto will just there behind the face, now, Saka. Magic, what do you have to say?
I think I have issues to Gasmela. Issue I'm in one day. My sister or US or Tasha Empower online. My channel arrest part.
Mr. Party show.
I
hope the show we US.
Or health worker US. It says scab no pa. Them other
stuff. Oh, then Shani said to with there.
Oh, maybe I want to reach into. Oh, she's safe. She's safe. See, maybe I want to scour no other mom kakra. And I say Tilly the birthday.
Oh yeah, I'll come to that.
Birthday, wishing happy birthday. Tilly, I guess GTV wish you happy birthday.
Yeah, Matilda, Akosia Tilly. Tilly.
Tigbe, aka Tigbe. My body. Find my body. I was furious with Gasmela over the weekend. As someone said, like Sako there should have called him personal because he's one of the originators of Azonto. Yeah. Azonto is not like crank music or better. You know the SM started with it. Give me blow. Yeah. And Mama first started to follow the way being coffee by Chame Kwame, Castro, 4x4, Madfish, coffee baby. What can then? Crank. Your one of which man. Na Brothers Bear was started. Was the same man what about hip life kaka VIP so I think I like simple. After that, who the guru no trend no hip life rank so we be no assistant. You the what kind of 4x4. No 4x4 this boy rough and smooth.
Yeah, rough and smooth.
Bullet can a TikTok no go for started was stand in na. Oh man, I don't know what to say and akwa we do them level and I think so I catch him the originator of Azonto. I don't agree with him.
But do we have originators of Azonto? Or one person? But when you single-handedly select a person, the mood ni pay. I know they any more or the Azonto bay. I know my Azonto.
One of the oil first and son as a Gasmela baby.
Okay.
Are you getting me? Say I don't know you be oil first and son a baby. So I won't put any more. You're not the originator. Be oil started at the now. Go for the this is Azonto no. You have to give credit to him. That is Sir Cordon started go call me. Actually, new video no here and on the EL. And people started following. I want to start today. Castro me started today. Young one what year you be a boy see what year you be an obabosum. Obabosum na. I don't know.
At the time book back.
I don't know the people Tiffany or a few ODG or easy no if it's ODG or what can London UK no baby in actually one point no quapa antenna put antenna could be a queen Azonto money Tiffany no on any year on point I'm motor he's
on an title
Azonto he's one of the guys so go for sell Azonto bar. That is a few so DG because or be Azonto no mu de also ade no ono no man Nigerians say won adwene po bad Wizkid Davido go for be started there we join we be away Azonto because it was a high tempo beat into most of the times in beat no bani most high tempo beat into na watch out son e kwa club Obonyo Kebi Azonto no tema be 1 hour 2 hours no be aso konifi. So I don't think the Gasmela, if you are the originator, why must you stop Azonto? So if you the originator grandpa oko for me, you should bring it back. Then you win him. Mama start managing Jeremy Sakode.
No any case.
Oh, the only case then.
As in being part of Azonto, being part of the.
So you are claiming that you are one of the guys are. You guys lifted Azonto, one Azonto by Azonto. Oko for me no. Why don't you bring it back? Waiting for Sakode to do Fahu Kimi. No, say he want to bring Azonto back. And I will beat I will be Fabra na Obohuku rap for free. You are there saying the Sakode should have called you. I think we should give us a break.
So I think that this is a time and at least Kagasmila on son
yes,
on son back
simple. Back if say I want to buy Sakode is for Hukimi. Do something different. Let's see. It's simple. I get me. But I don't mention baby because you want to trend, you want people to talk about you. Just say bibi anya bi akeke. We don't do that. Because since times are on you are trying times corona again I'm entertainment bibi nti said the bibi event na off is off. Nti said the bibi ba na say you we can use it as something. Just to be creative and bring something. Don't sit down just talk anyhow. No, make your opponent go studio open quite. Then kasana. So Sika Gasmila should give us a break now. Oh, some can because Sakode want to show you there is the originator of Azonto. You to do something. It's simple. Sakode is why for hook me. Oh, now also your baby name there. You can't compare.
I saw another one, revival.
And the American. Sakode want to, and when we them go start social media. Why Azonto? Why Nyama? It is say me sure you corona yampa and come for start. Me sure that Azonto was a trouble back in bio. And even at least if because after Ghana you dey Azonto be I carry Azonto be. Muhunyum bia. Yem fast so bia baby o. They be another for the shocky. What the queer offender? Zanku Naja for the idea. Okay, Pocho.
Into the young fast.
This is an best. Benabody best.
So, Magic, me pay share this thing. This I share the originators of Azonto and no one Konibena. Most people are arguing there Azonto Nangas and is it really a music genre? Because you mentioned music genre, I mentioned high life, hip hop, R&B, name and man, you know. But Azonto music, is it really a music genre?
No. Azonto no is a dance and I saw fi enyum be. Ata mama kana tasa. Ebe a beat no. Do you asa no to no? Or there a beat on asa no bokodo. Nti I saw fi enyum obey. And me share that those times in Puna or instrument like instrumentals or hot instrumentals sound like Azonto no. When we then go they are so freestyle or something like that. Today obi tum dey beat be bar. And enyum no obi a musician be dey freestyle no. The same thing applies to your musician enyum your area for rhythm. Tum we ebia fruit rhythm. Other rhythms. Na Jamaicans what I pa reggae my own crampo the Jamaican rhythm. Beat rhythm or Samino Suya Nede. Nti ebe hwe there beat no dey engineer no bobo beat that to but obi am be a rendition of different kind of reggae, different kind of songs, dancehall, different kind of high life be a beat wo so be ya ordinary that is rhythm. Them na I don't know there it's a dance that ofi enyum beat mbe. So I get him to say watch out if say I don't know, so be a video or I don't know, so be a new video. That person concentrates on the music even more than the song, you know, because about for dancers, I win my sound, group dancers, I win my sound so ye because I sound a feel with the any group of dancers in our sour. It makes attention back when you know because Charlie, them pardon you dancers no go for win my soul. I get it when Miss was I don't know, and I don't know. On now you know do say what I don't to kwampa say I don't to be no say what bonyum na what you know do I saw no na what you know do so I don't to is I don't to is dance I enyuma I saw ofi enyum be Are you getting me?
Classifying as music.
No, for that one there. But why there? I saw now offering the bear no. It's no what about today. Chale be present to beat.
Okay.
A present to beat because say am I don't to beat. I can get people that will not sell no so that they can dance. Obey information answer. Obey enyum no. I would them kakana aye no. Onye asaw na akodo. So be abeka there if say I don't to say a genre of music there for me there. I mean do I asaw ofi enyum be. And say hwe bo bitum bo instrumentals no kote I don't to beat kote. And he's dancing with the song. What once na wa one am am me anku me hu so that. Me anku me hu so that. So I think enyum asaw ofi enyum be. So I think them to am them no mu no. So if people so any idea, I think I stand to be corrected. If you can, you can explain it more further.
Okay. Now let's look at the relevance of Azonto. You introduced Azonto early 2010s, 2011. Azonto Ben. Did they even make any major impact on music scene?
Of course, Zika.
Yeah.
Of course. Last instead of the last year, Azonto went out of Ghana, Nigeria. Kwana num that time num no. Tiffany num I fiso digi be for UK. Nigerians boy Azonto me boa. Work and then whiskey dey bi. David Oyebi. We impo ya kare ya na sawa ba man Nigeria fu wo wa agema wa ye better person na hen. Are you getting me? Nti Azonto dey akọ boundaries. Yeah, apart from Azonto, yen asobia ni wa Ghana asobia ni wa okọ track in baby ah. Azonto shoot if you bona they know the Ghanaian side or the if say watch channel that just want to know what you feel same.
Yeah. Even echo internet if you type Azonto crap there are some articles I also open watch there. They are
the comes from one of the
check Wikipedia and all.
Yeah, they know Azonto I Ghana are the originators of Azonto music because I saw no and they start and few so digi from a UK from London from Kwampo no was so. What the video, why antenna, why Azonto lot of songs are even Sako you go kill me. Azonto Fiesta Sako there. Cassie Friction appear to. My God.
Yeah.
Only you know. Okay, pa. Yeah. So
even now, quiet.
Azonto Fiesta. Yes. Yeah. This Azonto. Enti with me no. Azonto they. So what? Na akai da yefo na nyanko. Afa nko we. Afa Azonto na akai da. Abe asofo for na sisi aga na for here. Afa so bi amfamba. They were Nigerians for the bani area kakana yensu ya sawa hade. They were the bani area kakana yensu sawa hade. So the Azonto de. Nigerians are oji tumde Azonto de osele Ghana nkasa osele yen. Oma yenyum no. No man Nigerian from copying.
But then Magic, what do you think there Oma all of a sudden Azonto offered you free system new? Because this is a song and a music at least it puts Ghana on the map. You know, them time na social media very popular.
Watch out to me.
Watch out to me, especially in Ghana. How affair on the international scenes. But then all of a sudden, Azonto free system. Why the fade?
You see, Ghana nkasa some star. Say watch out. He play from baby I start registration of followed Kenya. Or one you continue did go for baby when any ma someone quick pull them time no. What do we turn out to her life?
Okay.
Say watch out. Or someone quick or her life. Even Paul Brafon started or her life. The bro near or do continue be. Me kumi when you started or her life. How do baby no? Nah, I didn't know saying no. Now crank the new baby gym. Say watch a crank be no. They who this is Ghana hip hop. To be a one hour to wear rap and Kasankasano when you're beating to the work and woman nti Ghana ngasa de anyam sesa no se nipa ko ye jana bi pe na ngofu kakra bi so mpe anade artist kakra bi so mpe na oye wa hawadwen oye wa hawadwen de ekro na dada no wo ne because kakra na ngofa ye na ngofa accept no na ye wi frida da no. And I don't know so back there. Anyum so anyum ahwede anyum tuna anyum wo ma wasesa.
Yeah, dynamic.
Wasesa o change. As time goes no change but last time I make a say about contemporary high life. Mbisa obi about contemporary high life. why the contemporary life when you build? Is it that any sound engineers or what about talk about the kind of beat, them kind of beats in the build? And then the young musicians know a week, and then the one lyrics, and then the one song, and then the one to throw good lyrics about contemporary life, and Nina be seeing in DJCI do. Some so particular genre be bar near to him. Yeah, for the down. Even I don't to trim. But how many times the DJB or Channel or select I don't to bear 1 hour 30 minutes, and then there were 2 hours for a border. It's very difficult. Are you getting me? So I'm a guy and now some now old we not can no. Me imagine it they no. Yen DJs no. Sometimes DJs no, but they don't learn. Hey, one way.
Okay.
Eba na the children wonya wo the children are playing it. Eba o no we forget to chrono. Eba na wonya wo the children they are playing it. No forget that down. Then you keep you see how the Afrobeat no order. Esha. People want to do high life. But why are DJs in one more? And they keep on complaining the DJs no. Why you no ba? Yambo still yambo. You want to follow them Afrobeat now. Very good. And airwaves no DJs no bonyums in BBA. Yen promotion sing na akoye radio airwaves DJs. Are you getting me? It's there yen suba no why no why there wababaka. Yen hu ade Ghana for yen hu ade ananyina ye de chi. Otwema na logo na to ebi. Ade fofo ba ananyina ye de chi. Even dressing ya hu de ba ananyina ye dress ye be dress dey. Dress no nya. Nti wadam na nyom sisi akakoye. For me, those who want to bring it back, and it will be very difficult. I'm telling you.
That's where we are coming. It's why there's how calling a way you name the pedal the bar. Single-handedly, no now go to your bedroom wire. Another, it has to be something like a revolution or by music scene. I want now what music industry now or be a bay and Adrian, they be artists be a there or be release a song so yeah as on to beats.
And some make the end with the being a Sakodia AB, ELIAB, what can then? Ma any of artists be could be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 1 year. Na shade. DJs in Basati will follow the world. Perspective time about on the show. Not sure I don't know so about back you know. But this year why I'm there. Originators nankasa won why your originators no. Why any young way so obi anyo obi to be papa be o. I'm for hook me day to I mean on hook him them very good. It's very difficult for me to play it. The same thing applies to.
And even revival on people don't really.
I don't know somebody wait him.
But then that
forget that was about to ask about back you. Go for my baby or who why they so for social media fan baby can still forget. On to stand.
Man, guilty bit so sorry not Oreka baby. I read somewhere I think last 2 weeks there. Say pedals don't talk back we sort of have to refine beats, you know. And why answers a beat. You know, yeah. The same thing now near Bono 2010, 2011, 2012 Bono. Why there yes some kakra, yeah refine the beat in the kakra. I
think with what he's saying I agree with him because he's one typer, he's other one has on to beat. Pillow nano boy Akwaba. Abubo banging and ganging on Saudi. You know, lot of beats are nankasa most of the times where now he's still doing as on to beat with guilty beat no. So say you refine the beat now, I think, but it will be very difficult because still the beat no.
My pause or had it. Now yeah commercial break but yeah, we are going to discuss how Amazon to say if it's going to survive. And we're about to standard because it's here no since no assessment trends na assessment. Niamo bebre wa ba system name. Until this year bring back something na either ye jaw ho and wa sanko faten no. About to standard at stands now. About to we jane na the industry nima. We discuss that and also I am sending your messages as well. Messages no fabra na men kanina ama one. And pebetum suna afre or show no do on 059 595971540 Now you have commercial break because you're about from Kakra. Stay with me, don't go anywhere.
Welcome to Kingsman Classic Shiswan in Ghana. Jumaiza idun where I am Pobwa. And Pobwa sort here desert, loafers, slippers na de. say pem works na da ebo Emmanuel yo into bracket Kingsman Classic she's one for Facebook and me product ya ebun pem location so me wa agrek me no me 0247 40 39 80 with us made in Ghana from Kingsman Classic she's one.
Alright, welcome back from the commercial break. This is IDGA TV. You are watching Showbiz Bars. Enjoy. Ahani yeka entertainment in some your pension pension. Near koko konsaka kaka. Ina near koko faba hadena. Yeah, discuss now. And what is on the agenda near Azonto music for the past weeks on social media and yet on radio. Yeah, today the Azonto pedal bar, Sakode pedal or Mazonto BM. Other musicians pedal was some now. Although Yaka can want some with the introduction in the music scene, no. Although Yaka can want some, I see Ayaba Bebe Drew. No relevance, so Yaka want some. Yeah, who there? Azonto music, no. Another Azonto beat, no. Introduced about music, Ghanaian music scene, no, don't know. Or boy and power, the Enco International. And Kofu Bebre, what's and Enka. But then after that, no, na you died away, fed the Kaka, and the answer and Kabium. Well, we have the likes of Gasmila also. What about Rebecca there? Azonto never died, and Azonto has been there. It's in the CCR and reviving, no, shut down how about reviving. Hina Yaka wants them. Now, we would like to look at how Azonto Obertun was standing CCR, the test of time, CCR, different ba Afrobeat ba be Afro pop hip high life this year chere wasesan ne ho dynamics na ade ni na no this year new stuff for aba scene ni mu now this year yakofa Azonto abe yes san kofa na yakofa Azonto abe this year ankofo so ekade people have been complaining about Ghana music not being able to sell itself globally. Nina nkofo ageka now going back no Azonto odiyankwe bringing it back again no can it save us now as it is as it stands now can it save us so what we save now sanso de na akọ international we man aso there yen then so send in your comment your opinions what you think na yes so yentum na yes yen hu me read your messages ni na so you can also call in just as I said on 059 5971 540 059 5971 540. Now you're back to the studio now. You continue the discussion now. Magic. Near discuss how say Azonto bottom were two original and was system names this year.
Sika in America there CCR any more system none issue. There are very good songs in the system.
Okay.
And are we going to CCR Yebeja Afrobeat high life career ye at ho near Baba Azonto baka. Because I'm the next time metrum. No time abesunko we uko. So for me, I think in Kayenjan or whatever, if an artist and if you about my similar beat them with Azonto beat, I think it is cool. But since you we should do away with me always here. Come always here or selling power.
But you two also introducing come where always
it will be very difficult.
How difficult
is
it going to be?
Difficult of the mindset of Ghanaian DJs, the mindset of Ghanaian artists. If say Azonto no ba na se be nkofo be 5 na wo ye no wodo boshos no wonye ska obi aboto mali ya to achen mama kan ta atmasa si adon wo ska be mo manya nkonko ye bi no.
So you what did there it's original DJs no one do
very good and artists in Ankasa I'm mumu baby I'm tell mumu there I feel there Azonto is gone. It should go. We should. No, I saw on wetrum. I saw bia no what's it? A time bia na saw yeso.
Okay.
I saw on wetrum. Na you put a work in ma. Na you follow the shock be what's son where no zanku. She say agbese no wodo.
So best and put the waba zanku. I think zanku is a.
She say could be about what chair one side way in the open. You see, they are moving on. We should forget Azonto and move on.
Okay.
Can't you be creative, Kaka? Ghana for.
It is a agenda or the push nation.
For me, this agenda is useless agenda. I'm telling you.
And
Let's forget about him. He doesn't think straight. Oh no, he doesn't think straight. Oh, I'm telling you. Oh no, Ocean anyone ko Ghana because oh no one bokao. According to the non wife doing a number no. And then make a Ghana ni bi anyi sika put the food there about chenkuti no to the holidays.
Oh, but no a promo.
Oh, come on.
Even D Black self. D Black so also
I mean, they be make there. They saw it come the corona no. Once I would be all connect. What health organization can there? The urban may so
I think that was there before they declared it as a pandemic.
Hey, inti, why do you have to travel?
After.
I took a
no. I want to know what's there. Ghanaian musicians, they don't promote their songs globally. They go out.
How many times have you promoted your song even in Ghana? Have you go a nationwide tour before?
Oh, yes,
Sakwede.
Okay.
Stone Boy Grandpa, have you gone on a nationwide? The same thing applies to Shatawale.
That's going to be another it's going to be on our agenda.
You're not going to even Ghana had a nationwide tour before. It's to them when you to nation about actually you be no invited to the show. But that as a tour, Moko radio tour, Moko TV tour, Moko Western Hadin, no Mako say so has any big artist done some here, some force on interview campo. If you want them interview on radio campo, see how they are Bransana once account. And it's the to Kanako. If I put a promotion, I want to go to Nigeria, go to South Africa, go to Nigeria, London, UK, London.
All right.
Sally, I'm mood at them some matter my drum with a cruise and Makumalewa.
Magic, the Chadao Bibiana Wakuma.
Oh, yeah, the Mamma your Ghanaian artists will come Hadi. Sometimes I won't be in. I know other regions. Don't you know I was talking to America some about a Kwabwa? He's a one artist, Ghanaians love him, but on talented, on promotion, yeah. He doesn't want he don't want
but the way I talk about promotion say
no, he doesn't go out of Takrady, out of Accra, Kumasi, other regions go and go for Bohum. Because say a plan on nationwide tour. Now the media no Bohum the kind of success are Obenya.
Okay.
And the kind of followers are Obenya or even Ghana had it. Sure. And then under Ricky Rick or yes some analysis be about Nigerian artists boy no boyfriend Remy.
Yeah.
But I started 20 I was like, "Boy, me if
I think just 2 years ago was a day."
No, just 2 years. So when you come Eugene, when you Kiddy, when you can promise for the tour.
One of the digital platforms,
very
you know,
good.
so
How about the streams?
Okay. Magic, we also talk about that one and then the conversation they say anytime, you know. Wow, so well, and then may you know acting up kaka. So if I'm not able to. Yeah, so thank you all for watching. I want to watch you now, and you can also keep your comments coming. Showbiz Buzz. Now, this year, we come your way every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. In John, this day about 3 times in a week. Time number 12 p.m. to 12:45 p.m. You know, over 12 hours per night. You know what you have to do. You just have to be present here. It's now settle notifications. You know. Also, get interactive with us on social media via our social media platforms at IGHA TV on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and also YouTube. Type IGHA TV and now subscribe. Then you click on the bell. No, click on one or so the madam red. No. So that we be able to post to Hobiano, you'll be the first to know and also the first to watch and also get entertained also. Well, my name is Sika Woman and this show has been Showbiz Buzz. It's been another exciting and informative episode. Now we come your way on Wednesday. I admire Wednesday. My son, my banana, the day quick just now. Concerning breaking news now. And then I'm asking Mary for breaking news in channel. I think now months ago, and Stone Boy in your Beam Nation president. Osaka or any manager Black City. Na sisi and as also ate who be just to be there. New guy na anka or take over Black City no ye Weezy. Yeah. Also so Stone Boy Asaka no. Na after a way name it and I'm sure that by Wednesday no just to be all won't be details ni na no. Well, thank you for watching. Coronavirus is still around. Even though lockdown it's still there. So make sure that you follow the protocols. No, adhere to them. Wash your hands frequently with soap and running water. Make sure that you use hand sanitizers when you go out. Practice social distancing. Yeah, meters no more. 2 meters, and you'll be injured. 2 meters. Now avoid crowded places also, and also stay home. Any baby are quiet in a fear. Now also keep yourself safe, keep your family safe. Thank you for watching. See you on Wednesday.
Welcome to Kingsman Classic Shiswan in Ghana. Jumaiza idun where I am Poboa. And Poboa sort desert, loafers, slippers na de. Say Pemu works na da, Ebo Emmanuel into brackets Kingsman Classic Shiswan for Facebook and me product ya a boom. A Pemu location so I know a Greek. My number is 0247 40 39 80 with us made in Ghana from Kingsman Classic Shiswan.